Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did kos, food in Afrikaans. This time we will cover werkwoorde, verbs in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 14, werkwoorde, verbs. The verb in Afrikaans, die werkwoord, is much easier than in other languages. For one, it does not have verb conjunctions, as in other languages, like Spanish or German. There are also no irregular verbs, like in English. The main reason for Afrikaans werkwoorde to be easier is because of the Afrikaans tenses, tye. There are only 3 tye, teenwoordige tyd, verlede tyd, toekomstige tyd. In the present tense, teenwoordige tyd, we see the base form of the werkwoord. Let's look at some sentences. Ek lees. It is important to know that Afrikaans has no present continuous tense, and therefore this sentence means both I am reading and I read. Ek speel. Die kinders speel sokker. Hy spring. Hy spring baie hoog. In the past tense, verlede tyd, we make use of an auxiliary verb. The hulpwerkwoord het, plus we add the prefix ge. The sentence now become ek het gelees. Die kinders het sokker gespeel. Hy het baie hoog gespring. Notice how the werkwoord shifts towards the end of the sentence. However, not every werkwoord gets the ge prefix. Werkwoorde that start with their own prefix like be, her, ont, and ver do not gain the extra prefix of ge. Let's see. Hy het haar besoek. Sy het die boek herskryf. Die seun het sy pa ontmoet. Die baas het die besigheid verkoop. For the future tense, toekomstige tyd, you can use the hulpwerkwoord sal, or the werkwoord gaan. Ek gaan met vakansie. Jy sal vir my 'n brief skryf. Ons sal eet. Note that the future tense, toekomstige tyd, doesn't have any prefixes, but the same werkwoorde as in present tense, teenwoordige tyd. Also, once again, the werkwoord is at the end of the sentence. We have already mentioned the 2 hulpwerkwoorde that indicate time, het en sal, but there are others that can be used together with different tenses. These hulpwerkwoorde are called modale hulpwerkwoorde, modal auxiliary verbs, because they describe the manner or the way the verb is being done. For example, ek mag die boek lees. Sy moes die toets oorskryf. Hy wil sy kos nog eet. Or together with past tense. Sy kon die bal geskop het. Note the shift of het to the back of the sentence now. In Afrikaans, when om te or te appear in a sentence, the werkwoord is called die infinitief. For example, ek is besig om te swem. Of, om te swem is lekker. This also can change the word order around. One last exception to the rule is is. Is our only irregular verb in Afrikaans. It follows the following pattern. Ek is opgewonde. Ek was opgewonde. Ek sal opgewonde wees. Is, was, sal wees, sal wees. Thank you for watching. Next time we do the weather in Afrikaans, die weer. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.